Okay, but
That was hilarious.
2 years ago, I bought a chicken farm, had an ice storm, snowstorm, lost everything, basically homeless, and was able to build back, and over the last few years made several $1,000,000. You can't do that anywhere but in America.
America, the brave. It's awesome. I like to think of the flag as being magnificent, not above God. God's #1, but it's a good thing. I love America. I love the flag, and I love the 4th of July.
I know that it is God that while we have our freedom and gives us the freedom to worship, you know, that to live conservative lives that we desire to live. And I know that freedom is from Him.
1776, that was a big year. I mean, the odds said we're gonna lose. I mean, but only God could have done what He did, and we're here today. And I mean, wars have been fought since then to preserve it. I mean, we can't. We'd be selfish not to be thankful for it.
I feel like the United States of America is the very best country in the whole world to live in, and I can't imagine the sacrifices people have made through the years for us to enjoy an opportunity like we have. And we have millions of people, immigrants from every nation, every country, coming to enjoy a land like this, and to celebrate a day like today is just, it's phenomenal. It feels like a gift from God to live in a country great like America.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous